The Hycator cavitation reactor uses the energy dissipated by the collapsing cavitation bubbles to modulate various physical and chemical processes. Basically, this reactor reduces the amount of chemical usage, saves water, which is an extremely important factor, speeds up the processing time, and consequently saves energy. The reactor can be used for biofueling, prevention of cooling waters, ballast waters, industrial effluent and wastewaters, and synthesis of specialty chemicals.
We know how to create this bubble, make it go to a particular distance in a particular direction, grow it to a particular size and collapse it. This is a very, very targeted phenomena, and this brings about the needed transformation, what is required in a localized way. So, we have created kinetic energy, which is the velocity of the fluid. We have changed that into either pressure, turbulence or heat, and given it at the point where it is required. And that is what we do, and that is what our patent is all about.
When cavitation bubbles, a special type of bubble bursts. It radiates an extremely high temperature at its point of collapse, which is almost equivalent to the temperature of the sun. Its velocity at that time is also almost 4 times the velocity of sound. This intense energy source can be used for various purposes, including disinfection of water, shells of microorganisms being broken.
This is a pure science scientific phenomena where a common man benefits by its various applications, like we can disinfect water using this particular technology, we can do effluent treatment with this technology. It creates huge amounts of job, and it's a new technology coming out of India. As far as India benefits, I mean, it puts us on the global map for something which is very, very novel, and the community at large benefits because it is environmentally friendly.
Hyca Technologies reactor can be utilized at process industries for cooling tower water treatment, chemical industries for effluent treatment, and shipping industry for ballast water treatment. The Hycator finds pride of place in the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin list of top innovators.
I attended a commercialization workshop in Goa a few days back, which was sponsored by FICCI, Department of Science and Technology, Lockheed Martin and the ICT Institute. The type of people which gathered there was absolutely amazing. There was a lot of interaction between us, and really what came out very, very strongly is these people know what their business is, and it helped us a lot in knowing what is required to take a product to its commercialization.